All right. I'm trying to pull this shit down, bro. It's fucking me up. I'm about to take it off. Listen, before I whatchamacallit, if I ever get a chance to ride a bull, all I'm gonna do is light my cigar up and say, let her go. This is me nervous right now. This is me nervous. So if I get nervous, should I keep the muffler? Should I wear this or should I keep the muffler cap on? Nah, fuck it. You gotta go with this shit. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Gotta go with this shit. Motherfucker. I ain't touching that shit with my bare hands. Here it goes. We about to let the tarantula out, bro. We about to let the tarantula out, bro. Scared as hell. Here goes. A gecko. A gecko doesn't scare me. Hey, do these shits jump? Bro, if I open this motherfucking lid and this shit jump, do these shits jump? Somebody let me know right the fuck now. I was about to... This shit ready to come out too. It's moving a lot. That's another reason why I picked it, because it's moving a lot too. I like activity. Oh! That shit moving. Okay. Let me be cool. I gotta be cool. I gotta be cool. All right. Meet my pet tarantula. Graffiti Silk, T-Pain Tyranitar. Oh, fuck.